Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Believe what your heart tells you, not what others says. Believe what your heart tells you. यकीन रखो उस पर जो तुम्हारा दिल कहता है, not ना कि वो what others says, ना कि वो जो दूसरे कहते हैं. Never think about other what they are saying, just forget it. What other are saying, forget it. What is your heart saying? That's important. Believe what your heart tells you. यकीन रखो जो तुम्हारा दिल कहता है. Not what others say. उन पे नहीं जो दूसरे कहते हैं. Never think about others. Never think about other what they say to you. Just if you want to do something, just do it. Don't think about others. अगर कुछ करना चाहते हो तो करो, दूसरों के बारे में नहीं सोचो. Never think what people will say about you, what will other think about you. Never mind, never think about this. Just do it what you want. Just believe what your heart tells you, not what others says. वो करो जो तुम्हारा दिल कहता है. उस चीज़ पे यकीन रखो जो तुम्हारा दिल कहता है, ना कि उसको उन पे जो आपसे कहते हैं. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.